Hello guys, how you all doing? Today I feel like eating some peanut soup, yeah, and some peanut soup cooked with chicken. Very delicious. So join me cook my peanut soup with the chicken, and I'm gonna eat it with fufu. That's what I usually eat it with. Okay. It's really delicious when you eat it with fufu. So join us cook. Thank you so much. I already cook the peanuts and season it. Now I'm gonna eat. I'm gonna go ahead and add. So now I'm gonna go ahead and add my fried meat.